Good night, my name is Amy Patricia Ochoa Flores. I'm a student in agronomía. I work in the bank in my vacation of in the city Cali. They were in Cali visit a mi familia of my teacher of my father, and after the travel to Tulba to visit my mother family. My uncle Jorge is a doctor. They working in hospital. Mi aunt Andrea is a teacher. She teaches is a university, and my cousin hosting student in a college. He is the best student. There, my cousin Diana is a model. Is she's working in agencia. Is was very happy when he style where my family is beautiful. As the pet is name is Mike is a dog, and I love him. Cali winter, the climate of Cali chances a lot in the mor- mornings. It is warm and not is very sunny. And when the afternoon start a fall, it is one makes people feel cold and the temperature drops. And a recommendation for when you visit Cali, and then where is some people must house umbrellas when it's extremely warm. It is important people want stay house when water facts. It is recommended what children with their box is recommended how in people drive a lot often. It is recommended to wear a coat when there are weeks. At night it is recommended to use sábana. It is soon head high people always use blocker. It is recommended to have a short belt back to avoid picture. It's recommendation when you visit Cali, you can living will not visit the zoológico. I hold el Cerro de las Tres Cruces. When you must know, do when you are visit the city of North Litter and take care of the environment. Thank you.